Hi, my name is Phil. I'm a video creator and online instructor. I'm also a big personal finance nerd. Because of this, I want to create a series of videos that breaks down some of the most mystifying topics that plague our society, all about finances. In a world where people's finances are typically locked away and not talked about, I believe opening up the gates of financial conversation will help everyone live a better and smarter life. In this first video, I want to explain the shockingly simple math behind early retirement, thanks to one of my biggest heroes, Mr. Money Mustache. While the ability to retire may seem like a distant and unreachable goal for many, the premise comes down to one thing. You need to invest money so that it earns more money. As soon as your investments earn enough money for you to live on each year, you are able to retire. These investments could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or any other type of investment vehicle. Let's break it down so you can know exactly when you are able to retire. The most important concept for this is knowing your savings rate, basically how much you make minus your expenses. If you spend 100% of your income, you will never be able to retire because you will never be able to invest any money that will then earn money for you for your retirement. On the other hand, if you spend 0% of your income, you can retire right now because somehow you are living without needing to make any more money. Between 0 and 100% are a number of savings rates that correlate with the years it will take to retire. For these examples, let's assume your annual investment return is 5%, which is conservatively low, and your withdrawal rate is 4%, meaning you spend 4% of your net worth each year. In this situation, if your savings rate is 10%, you will be able to safely retire after 51.4 years. Safely meaning you will never run out of money. If your savings rate is 25%, you can retire in 31.9 years. 50%, you can retire in 16.6 years. And if you can somehow save 75% of your income, you can retire in just 7.1 years. Now, getting to that high savings rate might not be easy in our world of societal pressures, keeping up with the Joneses, and bad habits, but you can get closer by making smart decisions, avoiding debt, and living simply. The key takeaway is cutting your spending rate is way more powerful than increasing your income, because no matter how much money you make, decreasing your spending will speed up the process of early retirement. So if you want to retire in 10 years, the math tells us that you need to save 66% of your income. But for many of us, we've heard that saving and investing 10% of our income is a great rate. The math tells us that's wrong unless you want to wait 51.4 years to retire. Now, there is a lot that I didn't explain in this video, like how to invest and how to cut expenses to get to a high savings rate. Those will come in future videos. But for now, get excited about the honest truth about retirement and early retirement at that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this exciting for you, or do you think this is all bogus? Until next time, start being money smart.